in this class we are to look at superscript texts. In this class we are to look at superscript texts. So we are still here at PalmOps Foundation Elite Schools and making computing easy. I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin. So let's continue. Superscript text in HTML. What is it all about? So we can say that the content of a superscript, soup that is in tags, this one we are seeing here, sub in tag, superscript. So superscript, if you want to have your content in a superscript format, you use soup tag. Element is used is element is written in superscript. The font size used in the same name, the font size used is the same size as the characters surrounding it, but is displayed half a character's height above the other characters. So we have an example. Here. So if I highlight this, I select the whole work, I copy it, and I bring it to my text editor here. I create a new file, I paste it there, and I save it. So I save it. I told you to save. You just come here on file, then you choose save as, or you just press Ctrl S on your keyboard. So we are going to call this soup.html. So in a folder on a desktop called with a folder website. So I save it. So after saving it, I want to see now what is the difference between this text and this text. So I come here into my folder here and I look for soup. So if I double click on soup here, I should see a superscript. I think you can see this word is appearing upper, or is appearing at the top of other text. So let's see that. Let's say we removed this superscript tag. So let's remove it. And see what will be the difference. So if we remove it and reload it, I think now you can see all the text appears on the same line. But now if we replace it, if we bring it back and we save changes, we come back here and refresh, we are going to find that a superscript is created for us. That is how we create superscripts in HTML. So thank you so much for watching. Let's continue. So I think you have seen it. So we have subscripts also. We have subscripts in HTML. So the content of a sub or sub element is written in subscript. The font size used is the same as the characters surrounding it, but is displayed half a character's height beneath other characters. So let's see. We have an example like this one. We have this example. I copy it. So they are saying that this will produce this one, meaning that for the superscript it is above and subscript it is below. So let's go and see. So if I select all and I paste the code that I have brought and I save. So now the other time we had soup, but now we have sub. We have sub here. Let us save changes. We save changes. So let me save changes. Then I go back here and look for my soup here. Then I open it. Now, after opening it, I think you can see now the following word uses a subscript typeface. It is below. And whereas the superscript, it is always up. So let's continue. So this is the following word uses subscript typeface, as how you're seeing it here. So we have another one called inserted text. So anything that appears within ins tag element is displayed as inserted text. So let us see what does inserted text bring into our text document, or what does it do, or what changes does it bring into our work. So I will highlight it like this. Then I come here and I create a new file in my text editor here, that is Notepad. I told you to look for it. You just come here on start button, then type there Notepad. So after reaching there, that is when you come here and paste there your copied document here. So you just pause the video and type this code. So I will do highlight also this one. I copy it and I bring it here also. So I save. To save, I told you either press Ctrl S or you can click on File and choose Save As. So I'm going to save it on desktop in a folder called Website. Then I'm going to give it a name of inserted text. So I will say ins HTML. So then I save. So after saving, I can go to my folder here, that is website. Then I look for INS. So this one. So if I double click on it, I want to see the inserted text. So do you see here? Let me explain this code. So we are having, I want to drink I want to drink cola wine. So if I want to drink cola wine, I want to delete the word cola and I want to insert wine, meaning that deleted this one. It is not strike through, but now it is deleted. So we are omitting the word cola and we are replacing the word cola with the word wine. So this is what it means. Delete cola and replace it or insert wine. So that is what we are meaning. So let us continue. Let us continue. For example, if I remove this delete here, if I remove this delete like this, and I save changes, and I come here and I refresh, now cola will not be crossed through. Now here it will mean that there is you are not specifying what people will understand. You are not showing what does this wine word what is it replacing. That is why you have to delete. You have to also delete this one and show people, or show the viewers of your web page, that the word cola was omitted or it was deleted. Okay, so let's continue. So let's continue. Let's continue. So now this will produce the following result as how you are seeing it here. So we have another thing called deleted text. Deleted text. So anything that appears within del or delete element is displayed as deleted text, as how we have seen it. So this is the del. This is the delete. So this is the delete. So I think let us continue. Let us continue. So we are having larger text, larger text. So the content of the content of the big. So now big is a tag that is used to declare, or that is used to define larger text. So the content of the big element is displayed one font size larger than the rest larger than the rest of the text surrounding it as shown below. So we are having this doc type. So let us copy it and see what larger is doing, or what is it all about larger. So we are having doc type HTML head. So these ones are now very vigilant, all of us, because so far this line we are very at least having some basics of HTML. So let me first remove all these. Let me first remove all these. Let me first remove all these to create space. Create space. So now you can say new. So I cross out this. Cross out this. So I cross out this. Is it not going? So let us work on this. Let us work from this one. Okay, so after creating after reaching here, after creating the new file, I paste. So I save changes, click file, save as. So this one I will say big. So I will come here on desktop. Then desktop I will choose website, which is this one. Then I will save it as big.html, big.html. Then I save it. So I think you can see the big elements, and also here the big elements. So now let us see what is the importance of it. So we are going to come here into our web browser, into our location where we save our files, that is on desktop, on a folder called website. So we just come desktop. After reaching desktop, you come to your folder called website and double click on it, open it. Then after that, you look for big. So now after clicking on big, let me see. Now you see this word. Now this word is compiled using this big word, big tag. So it is now in big font style, in big font size. So the typeface is big. So now let us continue. I think you have seen, if you want to make your text, there are some words you want to make them larger or bigger than others, you use big tag. So let us continue and see the rest. Let us continue and see the rest. So the smaller text, small is the opposite of bigger. So let us see what does it do. This context, the content of the small. So we use the small tag as how you're seeing it. Element is displayed one font size smaller. Rest of the text surrounding it are shown below. So this is it here. This is it here. So let us copy it. Let me copy it. So I bring it here. I paste it. Then I end the HTML here. I close the HTML and save changes. Here I have used the same file, but you can choose to say save it file, save as small. You can say small dot html, small dot html. So I save. So now if I come here and I look for small, and I open it. So the following word uses a small typeface as how you are seeing it. Do you see it here? So now the following word uses a small typeface. So that is it, the opposite of big. So let us continue. Let us continue